Guys, so I'm back. If you've been here since last November, you know that I disappeared. Let me explain. Guys, so I'm back. So last year November I was doing daily vlog and I was so excited. I was posting every day and my phone died completely and I couldn't afford a new one right away, so I had to stop. I felt so bad because I love connecting with you guys every single day, and for some reason it also give me kind of boost or confident to do daily vlog and be able to talk on the camera and all that self-esteem that comes with it. I sort of miss it as soon as my phone died. But I promise it wasn't that I quit. It was only because my phone died. That's why I did not post it for last couple of 5 months, I would say. Now that I have a new phone, I have a new phone since, it's 4 months now, going 4 months. I have been thinking a lot while I was away from YouTube. I realized that I do not want to wait for a perfect time in my life to film it. You get what I'm saying? Like, I do not want to wait till my life is perfect to do my vlogging and recording. If you know that if you're a YouTuber or you like doing a little bit of vlogging on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, you'll know how much of a confidence it will give you as soon as you started doing vlogging or talking on the camera, or you talking to the camera. Like, it gives you that feeling of, oh, you can do this, you'll be able to talk, have some confidence, like something like that. I really want to romanticize my life with everything, like my vlogging of food, sunset, sunrise, little bit of adventures here and there, my day in a life, every routine that I want to do in my life. I feel like I need to do a little bit of vlog here and there. So yeah, I am kind of restarting my daily vlog again, because this time it might be a daily vlog for 30 days straight, or I'll be uploading 3 times or twice in a week kind of vlog. So yeah, I'm back. Thank you everyone who waited, and thank you to those ones who just found me right now, or let's do this together. If you're excited for daily vlogs, again, hit subscribe and comment. Welcome back. I'll see you tomorrow's vlog. Love you guys. Bye.